Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we'll show you how to make TikTok account private. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. On your profile page, tap on the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner. Step 4. From the menu, select Privacy and Safety. Step 5. In the Privacy and Safety settings, tap on Privacy and Safety Controls. Step 6. Toggle on the Private Account option to enable it. Once enabled, your TikTok account will be set to private, and only approved followers will be able to view your content. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.